Hi, in this topic we are going to see what do we mean by normal forms, why they are used. So when you talk about the normal forms, remember that it is the process. It is the process of creating the table structure in well organized and efficient way. Database normalization is a process used in the relational database to organize data efficiently, eliminate the data redundancy by improving the data integrity and reducing the data anomalies. Remember that we have seen what do you mean by anomalies. If you reduce the anomalies or remove the anomalies, right, your database structure will automatically come in the normalized form. The goal of the normalization is to structure a database in such a way that it minimizes the data duplication and maintains the data consistency. And how to do all these things? If you want to do all these things, you need to understand what are the normal forms. There are 4 normal forms, basic. On the top of that, many have been added. There is the first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and voice code normal form, or people call it as 3.5 normal form also. There are other normal forms also, 4, 5, 6. But these are the fundamental. If you do this thing, your 90% job or 95% job is done with regarding to the normalization. So in the upcoming videos, we will discuss these normal forms in detail. Thank you.